Hello and welcome. Today I want to discuss about a concept of user management because what is provided by Lowcoder is not sufficient enough for creating enterprise applications where users have lots of different rights and access to a system. So this is a very old system that we have developed a few years back, and we have been using it without any issue for almost 1.5 decades now. In this system, what we do is that we have a list of available privileges over here, as you can see. And this, and on the right hand side, we have privileges that are granted to users. So now we can control what a user has access to using this particular methodology. For example, if I want to allow a user to be able to add incidents in the application, then I can just select it and say add, and that would get added over here. Once that is added, and if I save it, so the user will be able to access that particular event. In this system, we have taken a lot of pain to build it, and it is built in such a way that the user rights are applied live or immediately. So now what happens is that if the user just refreshes the page, all the settings that we have done right now would get immediately applied to that particular user. The database structure that we have used for this is something that we need to understand also. So I'll just show you the database structure. We have a table called PRIV brief. In this table, we have listed all the privileges that are available in our application. As you can see, there are 122 rows, and we are just showing 24 right now. So this allows us to have granular control over what features we want to control in our application. Once this is done, then we are maintaining another table called user brief. This table stores all the privileges that are assigned to a user, and it is according to this table that all the access is granted in the application to a user. So whenever a page loads, the page will first call a function on the server that will go and check whether the current logged in user has access to this particular feature or not. And once that is verified, and if the user has access, then the page would load. Otherwise, a message would show up that you do not have right to access this feature of application. I would like to emphasize again that we have been using this for 1.5 decades now successfully, and we have never had any problem till now in all the applications that we have built using this particular security implementation. So I would advise all the developers to look into it, and also the developers of Lowcoder, to see how they can implement such a granular user management system into Lowcoder, so that other developers will not have trouble with user management and they can just implement it out of the box. Thank you.